Check this out. Got a Ferrari California T 2015. And this calls for a two-piece. There's a seam line that goes right here, for xpel. There's a seam line that goes right here, and that's gonna eventually turn black. So this is experimental. We'll see how it goes. But what we're gonna attempt to do is literally a one-piece installation on a front bumper like this. So we'll see how it goes. Woo! I'm feeling pretty good about this. Check this out. Boom. One piece. All the way in there. All the way down. Could you imagine? Could you imagine one piece on a bumper like this? Woo! Boom. This is her side. Look, same exact quality. Awesome. What does that shirt say? Oh yeah. Sick. Totally sick. Okay, next shot will be the finished product. The big reveal. Want to show you a little up close of all the corners and edges in this one-piece bumper. This is the only way it can be done to be done right. So enjoy this little zoom around, and I'll see you on your next car.